Hi, so I'm Welcome back to our channel. I'm TaylorAnne.
And I'm LoriAnne.
And together we are MADCURLS. And welcome to another MADCURLS review and tutorial. Today we are going to be reviewing and doing a tutorial on Mielle's new line. Girl, what's the name of the line?
That just launched. It is the Oats and Honey line.
Oats and Honey. And we got our hands on it.
We sure did. And it is a sensitive scalp line.
Yeah, so they said it's targeted for people with sensitive scalp. They said it's their most, what do they say? Their most gentle collection that they have. So we know that Mielle has several collections. We have videos on our channel of different Mielle collections, but we're excited to be back doing them again and to showcase this collection. We have tried it many times before doing this tutorial and review, and I love the collection.
I do too.
I think it's fantastic.
Yes.
So should we show what's in the collection?
Why not?
All right, so let's start with the cleansers.
Okay.
Maybe the prop girl. So here it is. Let's just take in the packaging really quick, right? So love the packaging. I love sometimes when Mielle does different lines, they kind of like change the packaging, because we know Mielle, like the bright hot pink, you're channeling the bright hot pink. I have it in the nails. Aesthetics, guys, aesthetics. But sometimes they do other lines that like change the coloring. So this is their Oats and Honey line, and I just love the packaging of this. Very nice.
It's so nice.
So there is so it says Oats and Honey blend, soothing. This is the conditioner, and this is the
soothing shampoo.
Soothing shampoo. So shampoo and conditioner you get.
Okay.
And we have some stylers. There is their
soothing leave-in conditioner
and their soothing hair balm.
Okay.
And lastly in the collection is the soothing scalp stick. So we have already washed and conditioned our hair with the shampoo and conditioner. So I feel like we're gonna maybe start doing our hair, and we'll talk about the line as we are styling our hair today.
Right. Okay.
So to style, should we just mention like how we're gonna style our hair?
Okay, yeah.
Okay. So to style our hair, we're going to be using the leave-in conditioner and the hair balm. So these have soft holds. So the object of this line is scalp care, so sensitivity. So these products are light. So the holds on these are light. You're going to be styling them, the leave-in and the hair balm together.
Yes.
Just that's your wash. That's your wash and go.
Right.
I'm going to be using these products, and then I'm also going to pair it with a custard, so you can see how it plays nicely with other gels. This is a custard, but to me it acts like a gel. It's going to add extra hold. I've done this wash and go, and I love it just to kind of show you what the soft hold looks like, and then a wash and go with like a gel kind of on top of it.
Yeah, when they first said soft hold, I was like, soft hold. It is a distinct soft hold. However, it holds. You know, I mean, I think it lasted me, I would say 2 days at least.
Okay.
At least.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's nice.
You definitely feel that there is a hold there.
There's a hold.
Albeit soft, but it definitely, there is a hold.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, so if you want to hear more about this collection and see us style with the products, then
Let's keep watching.
please keep watching. So first things first, water. And I've already sprayed my hair a little bit off camera because it had completely dried, and we'd be here all day.
How it did a little bit though, because it's not really that humid or hot this summer. I'm noticing that summer's flying by, and it's really not that hot or humid.
Summer's definitely flying by. Okay, so the first thing we are both going to style our hair with is the leave-in. So, do you want to get it popping?
Okay, let's see here.
You guys should check out the pump. It's cute. So it's like this, and you pump it down like so. See, it comes out like that. Do you need some assistance?
Let's see, girl. Probably not. It's probably fairly easy to pump.
Okay.
So thank you for offering.
Okay, girl. So putting the leave-in first. So we both washed our hair with the shampoo and conditioner, and I feel like Mielle always nails the shampoos and conditioners. I'm definitely a fan of other shampoos and conditioners in their line. So on this collection, love the shampoo and conditioner. I found that the shampoo didn't strip my hair at all. Definitely lathered, and it was very nice. And the conditioner is thick, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so it's a nice like thick conditioner, moisturizes. Like when I put it in, my hair is soft. I believe it actually says like you can leave it in,
so you can kind of gauge. So this is what it looks like. The leave. Let me see. How can I leave in? Okay. So
it's light.
Yeah,
it's light.
Yeah.
Yeah. So the conditioner you can leave in for 10 to 15 minutes. So you could even kind of use it as like a little deep conditioner
it smells
there.
So good. Oh my god. But, oh my gosh, it smells so good.
Love the shampoo and conditioner.
How would you describe the smell? It's not sweet like bakery sweet.
No.
It's pleasant.
When you think of Oats and Honey, I feel like it's you get that honey smell.
Yes.
You're getting honey.
Slightly.
You're getting
Slightly.
honey, I think.
Oh my gosh.
But it's not an overwhelming fragrance at all, because again, this is for sensitive scalp.
Like seriously, like look at how it just brings out the shine. You know, because I've been noticing your hair when you have it in, your hair just exudes shine.
Shining.
Oh, my hair's getting slippery.
So the leave-in just glides through your hair. It's great for after you shampoo and condition, because the conditioner definitely makes my hair feel soft and moisturize.
Are you gonna go around once and then you're gonna go back around with the balm, or?
I'm gonna do my entire bottom layer first.
Okay, with both products?
Yes.
Okay.
And then the last thing I do is I'm going to add in the custard.
Yeah, I think I'm just gonna go around with the.
So this line is a partnership with Susan G. Komen. Girl, speak on that, girl, since you said everybody.
I said Susan G. Komen. I was just like, wow, like Mielle is partnering with Susan G. Komen. I can't speak on her as if like I know her personally, but when you think of breast cancer, you think of Susan G. Komen. And when I mentioned that, you're like, you weren't really familiar, and I'm like, you haven't? I'm like, Susan G. Komen to me is like the epitome, is a symbol. Is a symbol to me of like breast cancer. You know, pink, the pink ribbon, all of that. So
and it said under this collection on their website that they are going to be donating $100,000 to the Susan G. Komen Foundation, where they donate to research and community outreach and all that for breast cancer. So I was like, that's nice. I like causes, lines with causes, and that just makes sense, you know, scalp issues and
absolutely,
and, you know, the kinds of treatments that you need with breast cancer and the results of that. So
yeah,
I think that's great.
This is really brought my hair to life. I'm loving this.
And there is a significant difference between the leave-in and the hair balm in texture. The hair balm is a little bit thicker, so it almost feels like that styler for you. Like there's like the leave-in, and then like you go in with like the styler, which is the hair balm. But again, the hold on it is light.
Yes.
So if that's something that you are into, which I don't mind a light hold here and there, especially on my shorter hair, I feel like it gives it volume. See, how you doing, Tamaya? Have we mentioned the price? So
no, okay, yeah, so no.
So this collection is sold as a bundle. So you are going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all 5 of these products. So shampoo, conditioner, leave-in, hair balm, and the scalp stick. Which, have you been talking about the scalp stick?
I don't think we've talked. We've shown it.
Yeah. So the scalp stick, this is like a spot treatment for those problem areas on your scalp. So you just go in with the scalp stick when your hair is dry on like those places
itchy
where
scalp,
itchy scalp, irritated, dry scalp. You go in with that, and it's like a little spot treatment. But you get the entire collection for $35, which I think that's a great deal for 5 products.
Absolutely.
That's actually very good. That is very nice.
So I believe when we went to the kind of Zoom meet to learn a little bit about this line, they said it's not meant to like replace medical advice. However, the partnering with Susan G. Komen is, you know, for people that have gone through different treatments for cancer or whatever, and your scalp is sensitive. You know, like I said, it's not a replacement for medical advice, but it is something, you know, when you're going through something like that, the soothing of your scalp.
Yeah, because, you know, even if you just have scalp issues in general, and you don't need anything like heavy on your scalp, the oats in it and the honey is very soothing. I just feel soothed like using it.
I am loving it. My hair looks like almost like a different head of hair. You know, I mean, it looks really good. It's shiny, it's dark, it looks healthy, it's bouncy.
Right. I love how much slip these products have. Definitely plenty of slip. Again, the hair balm. Going in with that. Curls just come to life. You guys have to let us know what other kinds of Mielle line stuff that you love. I'm definitely a fan of their pomegranate and honey, and I like that this line can play nicely with some of their other products that they have if you feel like you need more. So If you feel like you need more than a soft hold, like the styles are a nice base, even if you wanted to just go in with the hair balm and then go in with like a gel, or go in with the leave-in and go in with the gel. They play nicely with other products, which is nice.
Yeah, because I like the that peppermint line.
Oh yeah, the rosemary.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So I'm just
rosemary
going to, so now you've seen me put the leave-in all the way through. There's no reason to rhyme to what I'm doing here today. But what I'm going to do now is take the balm and just go back topically over all. I'm not gonna like section each part. I'm just going to kind of like do it in bigger sections. So
you can use this line however you style your hair. If you do twist outs, if you do braid outs, bantu knots, like whatever your styling method is. If you're not familiar, we are doing a wash and go.
Yes.
Which we just apply the product and then we are going to let our hair dry, and then those will be our results. I just recently did like a video for my Instagram, and somebody said, is this a wash and go? So I thought I would mention what this is, because I was like, you know, maybe people don't know what this styling method is, what we're doing. This is called a wash and go, where you just wash your hair, place some product in it, and go. There's no other kind of,
just add it a little bit more.
you know, twisting or braiding or
I know, even though like we
rods
are
or anything in.
over 10 years in our journey, still every day people are joining the natural hair.
Right.
Is it movement?
Yes, we still
It's a lifestyle. I don't know.
Still a lifestyle.
But like just because like we know something doesn't mean that new people coming over know stuff.
Right.
So okay.
So comment down below how long you've been natural.
Exactly.
How long? So
And do you find it easier? Like when I first went natural, I thought it was going to be so easy. All I'd have to do is just basically get up and roll out the bed, and people really kind of think like that's what it is. But it's a little bit more to it than that.
a little bit more
It's
than
a
that.
little more. Okay, so
This
I
is
did like
just-
another dollop, and then I'm just going to kind of like.
So this is just those two products in my hair. Looks fantastic. Again, you can absolutely leave it just like this. This is what you get in the bundle, and you can style your hair with just what you get in the bundle. You're going to be doing that. I'm going to throw the Mielle pomegranate and honey custard in, because it dries like a gel for me, and it kicks it up to like a medium strong hold. So just got a little dollop of that in my hands, and I'm just kind of gonna run.
And so you see
that
a marked difference when you put the gel in?
Yes,
Okay.
I feel it's a stronger hold.
Okay.
Stronger hold doesn't take away from the shine or anything like that, but it holds it a little bit longer.
Okay.
And so you're getting like that awesome like moisture and stuff from the base products, you know,
Right.
all the benefits that the base products have in this line, but then, you know, it can last a little bit longer if you pair it with a gel if you need that. But if you are someone who has sensitive scalp, and that's why you need this this line, sensitive scalp, you can absolutely just style with this line and be fine.
Yeah.
But just to give people other options if they're like, I need a little bit more, but it does play well. And I always like to take these little things, curl my little sides.
Yeah.
Side pieces. Putting the finishing touches on our hair, but I am...
Yeah, I'm just kind of like finger coiling, just kind of like defining certain sections. Have to.
It's so funny how like we've been natural for 10 years, and I feel like the natural hair movement has kind of been a thing definitely for the past like 3 or 4 years, and like, you know, products are always being dropped and stuff, and even like after all this time, like you still get excited about new launches.
Yeah.
And so this is a great launch.
Surprising
For
one, right?
a great cause. Yeah. It's like, oh, okay.
I like that.
Right. Brands are still thinking of stuff, being innovative,
Exactly.
and coming out with cool stuff, cool collabs
that we're familiar with, and they drop something new.
Yeah.
So it's
then,
almost like the days I used to read and go to the bookstore, and I'd go into the bookstore unexpectedly, and it'd be like a brand new book by my favorite author.
And like cool collabs with people and causes, and
Yeah.
sickening. Look how shiny.
Yeah. Yep.
Wow. 2 different lengths, textures, but still awesome results. All right. So we are going to let our hair air dry, and we'll be back to show you guys these results.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
Bye. And we are back. These are our results. Sickening. What do you guys think? We both did the same thing at the same time.
We did.
Well, look how shiny.
See?
Yes. Yes.
See, it's a soft hold, but yet it's holding. I love it.
And again, it's like sickening products for people who have scalp issues. You know, you can still achieve greatness even with your scalp issues. You know.
Yeah.
And yeah, love the line. The smell of the line, like the scents in the products, like I don't smell them anymore. Not that they were like. They weren't overwhelming at all, but like the smell like just dissipates. Whatever smell, like whatever scent there was, I don't smell it anymore, like at all.
Yeah, I don't.
Let me see. Come here. A little bit. If you stick your whole face in somebody's head,
it's a pleasant smell.
But it's nice.
Like I said, it's not bakery sweet. It's not so much floral.
It smells like honey.
Yeah. Okay, honey. Like it's like not earthy. It's natural smelling. I mean, oats and honey. I mean, it's fabulous. Yeah. I love it. I said to you, we went to the mall real quick. I said, I love it. It's gonna be my go-to product because, girl,
she tries something good and then all of a sudden starts
oh, boring. Should never listen to anything I say. But anyhow, I love it. It's the simplicity of it all and the hold on it. Okay, because though, like I said, it's that soft hold. Like this is holding.
It's nice.
I love it.
It's nice for a soft hold.
Yeah, it almost gave it some volume. Did it give it some volume? Because I know my hair was
I did the custard in mine, and there is a little bit more of a crunch on mine, but that means like I'll get just more days out of it.
It totally is, but not like to me, not that much more because like I don't know why you don't feel like what I feel. Like I feel like my hair has.
But it does play nicely with other products. So if you feel like you need more, you can play around with it with other Mielle products or whatever you want to do.
So this was a you did the
pomegranate and honey custard.
Okay.
Yeah, and just to show you guys, we mentioned it, but the oats and honey, the soothing scalp stick. Just to kind of open that and show you, it almost reminds you of chapstick.
Yeah.
But like this is just what this product looks like, and wherever you have issues, you would just kind of like part your hair and just like get all in there in your scalp, and you do it on dry hair, and it's just like something topical for where you have like itchy spots or dry spots. So I think this is very cool as well. That comes in the collection.
Let me feel the emollients.
What also comes with only this collection when you order it is a Mielle bonnet. So it's a reversible bonnet. So it says Mielle all over it, and then there is just a big Mielle here. But what I think is totally innovative and like really cool is the fact that there is, what would you call this? Like you can tighten it. You can like put it on your head and then you tighten it so it doesn't fall off your head at night. And I think that is so cool because like bonnets definitely fall off your head. Yeah. And you can tighten it and like your bonnet, you can secure the bonnet on your head. Nice. Which I think is very cool. So
and it fits probably different size heads, right?
Yeah. So this comes with only this collection. You can't order it separately or whatever. Like you got to get it. You got to get the collection to get this. And with the collection, again, $35 for all 5 of these products, plus le bonnet. But yeah, so
very nice.
This is it.
We like
it. 2 thumbs up.
We love this
from us. This is awesome.
Yes.
So let us know what you think. If you are going to go pick up this collection, we will link it in the description box down below if you want to go check it out on the website and pick yourself up a bundle.
If you've picked it up and you've tried it, tell us what you think.
Let us think. Let us think. Let us know.
We are loving it.
All right. Okay. So thank you so much for watching, and
we shall see you in our next video.
See you in our next video.
All right. Bye.